With the quite remarkable news that the estate, wagon or break if you're in France, is now no longer part of the Volvo lineup in the UK, unless you're one of the 43 police constabularies of England and Wales, there's been quite the online spat between advocates, usually SUV haters like yours truly, and those that defend the modern upright equivalent of the traditional estate. It's not the end of the load lugger though. Across Europe, the wagon, I'm obviously acclimatised to my current surroundings nowadays, reigns supreme when it comes to the need for extra space to haul the family bits and bobs on the annual vacation or venture to the DIY store or tip. Unfortunately though, Britain, as it always does, has followed the US in rejecting the wagon for what visiting fellow David Zipper of Harvard has called car bloat, the process through which smaller vehicles are being replaced by increasingly massive SUVs and trucks. It's a fascinating read on Twitter or X, dependent upon your preference, which you can read through the link in the description. For now though, thank goodness there's still plenty of older wagons out there to choose from. Here's John from Voldat with one that, had I not already got one wagon project on the go, would definitely have been in my garage by the end of the day.
Right, actually before we go, John?
Yep.
A 740 turbo.
740 turbo, yep.
What's the go on this one?
Oh, just that the wiring loom's all corroded, unfortunately, so I'm getting a new loom made for it.
Yeah.
So,
Made, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
There's a bloke in Adelaide that can make them.
Yeah.
So I'm getting a new loom made, and then we'll get it back on the road again.
Wow, okay. What year did this come out? This is...
Well, okay, so the 84 was they're called them 760 turbos.
Yeah.
And then they sort of, after 85, they went to sort of 740 turbos.
Yeah, I was going to say 760.
760 was its first ones.
Yes.
And then a couple of years later, they brought out the 740 turbo, and they were forcing on the turbo, blah, blah, blah. But they're getting a rare car now because, well, the problem is a lot of people, young guys, are buying the cars, pulling the turbos out of them and putting them into 240s.
Right.
So the cars themselves are disappearing because everyone's knocking the motors off.
Right. Oh, no. I mean, these are going to have their day soon enough.
Well, they are because, there's just none of them left now.
Yeah.
They've all been flogged and this and that, so to find a good one, future classic.
Yeah, absolutely. I remember seeing the first one of these I saw at campsite in the Dordogne when I was 13, 14 or whatever it was.
Yeah.
I was like, just because I don't know the
wedge
black
shape
and
the
wedgie. They've just immediately popped out as so those are the wheels carried over from the GLT, didn't they?
Basically almost very
similar
style.
Yeah, I remember seeing that. Okay, right now you're going to clear something up for me now. So 240. They used to have. The last number always used to denote the doors, didn't it?
Yep. Series 2.
Series 2s.
4-cylinder, 4-door or 5-door, depending on what it was.
So, and then why did they stop?
I don't know, Volvo being Volvo, they generically just called them all 240s. They didn't sort of designate whether it was a sedan, a wagon or anything.
Yeah.
So,
This is a bit of an old beater, this one. It's had...
unfortunately she might have had her day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's still...
Yeah, like
clean it up.
Yeah, like if someone's... I'm keeping it complete for the time being.
Yeah.
Because you just never know, someone will come past and go, I need a runner, I just need a resto project for my kid. There you go,
Absolutely. No,
$1,000, there you go,
Well, so what needs doing?
Oh, like, unfortunately, the rust is getting to it.
Yeah, but is that going to have gone down into it?
Hey?
Is that rust going to have gone down?
Yeah, possibly, yeah.
Right.
You take the window out, like you take these out.
Yeah.
You take the window out and you'll probably find it's all gone down into here, so it's a bit of body work.
Yeah.
So it's a catch of, do you spend, But
she's a runner.
3 or 4,
for $1,000?
3 or 4 grand and fix
You're
the body
sell
work.
it for $1,000?
Yeah, as it is, as it sits.
Would it get through a
Won't get through a road with it like that, no, not with the rust in it.
Right, okay.
Yeah, the body rust has got to be, here in Victoria, body rust has got to be sort of clean, tidied up, put it that way. You can sort of hide it and paint it and
I mean, a bit of bog over
make
the
it look
top
pretty.
of that.
Make it look pretty.
Can't you then? But I'd want to scratch the bog back off after I got the RWC and have the patina back.
Yeah, well there you go. You could do that.
$1,000?
Yeah.
And what's the engine? It's good?
Yeah, engine's fine. I'll get the keys and start.
Oh, £1,000? That's got to be... Look at that. That's the same old colour as my dad's 144. Oh, similar anyway. £1,000. Not even 3 pumps on the pedal. Jesus. Bloody hell. What engine's that?
B23 or 2.3 litre.
2.3, yeah. So have you had a little tickle on?
I haven't touched it. I haven't touched it. That's how it was.
And how does that sound to you in the array of...
A typical 240 engine.
Right. Well, it doesn't need any great service or anything?
Oh, I'd probably give it an oil change. Yeah, just give it a service, change the oil and filter, but that all sounds pretty normal. They're very characteristic with their fan noise. Yes. You hear them come down the street.
Yes.
It's a bloody 240 because of the fan noise. Yeah.
£1,000. That's got to be the bloody steal of the...
Yeah, if you want something with a bit of a patina, perfect.
Absolutely. Absolutely. What year is this?
It's a 84 or 85 actually.
Right. There you go. What's that? 140,000 miles or something like that, isn't it?
It's kilometres, but yeah.
Yeah, no, 190.
Oh yeah, but you go by miles, yeah.
What else do you want? Love it. Love it. Well, okay, mate. You got anything else to show me here? All right. Oh, another 850. Another R?
Yeah, that's a Japanese import. That one,
actually. Really?
Yeah, it's a T5R, that one.
I've got
a T5R.
Yeah. Oh, I'll have a little looky around that in a sec. Right, so this is... Jesus, look at that.
Yeah. Young guy's car, he's just bought it from WA, I think. So he wants to get on the road on the club plates.
So, is that original trim?
It's been redone.
Yeah.
But it's original. It is original looking though. It's all.
So somebody's doing aftermarket.
Yeah. That's the beauty of all the stuff there. You can buy a lot of stuff aftermarket now. Years ago, I used to struggle to find that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Now, there's places that specialise in everything now, trims and
Where's that coming
parts.
from? America?
No, Europe. Out of Europe.
Yeah.
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 Out of Sweden, some of it.
Right.
You know, Volvo sold the dies to people, and then so people starting to remake the stuff again.
Have you sent stuff back to Sweden ever?
Have I sent stuff to Sweden?
Yeah.
I've sent stuff to the UK,
yeah,
but not to Sweden. No.
Lovely, lovely jubbly. What's that?
Not too sure.
Is that anything?
I don't know.
Beautiful. All right, that's that one. But, sorry, you say this is a...
It's an A50R, sorry.
It is, right. No,
yeah.
right, I was going to say, because I'd definitely be badged back in the UK.
Yeah.
For the T5, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Nice spec. And it come with those darkened wheels,
Yep.
Is it? Yep.
Yep, that was standard.
Lovely.
But this one's as a Japanese import.
Oh, of course, you said, yeah.
Yeah, it's even got the writing on the
Ah, yeah. Nice. Oh, they like that's a nice bit of woodwork in there. Is it proper wood?
Yep. Ah, no, it's all veneer.
Veneered, yeah.
Yeah.
God, I've never seen those Alcantara. Do they have that on there?
What's that?
On the R's over here, the Alcantara in the
Yes.
insert.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And the UK ones?
Not too sure at the UK.
Yeah,
I think they would have, but that's a classic trademark of the R spec.
Right. Okay.
That's how you can tell, because that's where a lot of them have deteriorated over the years, and people are trying to re-find it and redo it.
Yeah.
And it's getting very hard to find.
Yeah. Wow. And what's this one in for?
Oh, just he wants to
Service.
enhance it, put a, put a chip on it,
Oh yeah, yeah.
put an exhaust and stuff like that.
Yeah.
He's got a whole box of stuff in the back there ready to put in it.
You're kidding me. All of that.
Yeah.
Ooh. You got new exhaust in these,
Yeah.
eh? Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Oh, you spent a few bob there, eh?
Yeah. As I said, these young guys, they like their toys.
Yeah.
But they become a bit of a sleeper, you know.
Yes,
they're a
absolutely.
very quick car. And
Absolutely.
and they look good. They look really cool.
That's a beautiful, another
Yeah.
great car.
So
Another great car.
to find one in these, to find one now is really struggling to find really nice, good ones, you know,
Yeah.
because they're all.
We got beaten up, did they?
Yeah. But now people are starting to look for them, and the prices have gone through the roof now.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why this guy's probably had to buy this one because,
Yeah.
it's a nice car.
Do they come at a premium from Japan, or do you get better cheaper?
Well, the thing is, there's sort of probably limited use because the Japanese, they sort of drive them for so long and then they've got to get rid of them
Exactly,
or
yeah.
trade them in. So sometimes it's good to buy from out of there
Yeah.
because they've had limited use, low mileage, all that sort of stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay, John. Well, as I say, taking up enough of your time. Very kind of you to allow me to just pop in like that.
It's been a pleasure.
We'll see you around.
Yeah, like a
Cheers,
whistle.
buddy. Thanks very much.
Yeah.